Hello students, welcome to class 6, subject mathematics, chapter 7 fractions. Today I am going to tell you solutions of the test. Question number first was reduce 18 upon 39 in its simplest form. Its solution is 18 upon 39 converted into factors. Okay, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that is for the 18, and for 39 we can write down 3 multiplied by 13. 3 by 3 cancel, and what is left? 6 upon 13. This is the correct answer. So give 1 marks for the correct answer. Second question was write 11 upon 7 as a mixed fraction. When you will divide, you will get the answer 1/4 upon 7. So if it is correct, give 1 marks for that. Question number third was what fraction of a day is 6 hours? Solution is 1 day equal to 24 hours. So required fraction is 6 upon 24 equal to, reduce it into simplest form, 1 upon 4. Okay, half marks for writing 1 day equal to 24 marks and half marks when you write down the fraction. Question number 4 was express 5/3 upon 7 as an improper fraction. Your answer is 38 upon 7. If it is correct, full 1 marks. If it is wrong, 0 marks. Question number 5. Find the equivalent fraction of 15 upon 35 with the denominator 7. Denominator 7, that means we have to divide denominator by 5. So numerator also we will divide it by 5. Your answer is 3 upon 7. If you have written direct answer 3 upon 7, then also it is correct. Question number 6 was find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 4 with numerator 12. We want a numerator 12, so means we will multiply 3 by 4, numerator by 4, hence we multiply denominator also by 4. So your correct answer is 12 upon 16. 1 mark for the correct answer and 0 for the wrong. Question 7. Which is larger fraction, 7 upon 10 or 8 upon 10? See the solution of first part. 8 upon 10 is larger. Why? In like fractions whose numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. So 8 upon 10 is larger. If you have not written the reason, you have written only 8 upon 10, then also it is correct because they carry only half marks. Second part is 5 upon 6 or 5 upon 13. In this, numerators are equal, so a fraction whose numerators are equal, whose denominator is smaller, that fraction is greater. So 5 upon 6 is greater, 5 upon 6 is larger. Half marks for each correct part. Question number 8 was check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. It is 7 upon 13, 5 upon 11. We will check it by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication we get 7 multiplied by 11 and 5 multiplied by 13. It is 77 and 65. They are not equal. So the given fractions are not equivalent. Question number 9. Add 7 upon 13 plus 11 upon 13. This is the addition of like fractions. So write down denominator once 13, add the numerator 7 plus 11. It is 18 upon 13. Convert into mixed fraction 5 upon 13. If you have done addition correct, that is if you have left it up to 18 upon 13, then give half marks and deduct half marks if you have not written it in the mixed fraction. Question number 10th was Kanchan dye dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. She has so far finished 20 dresses. What fraction of dresses has she finished? Required fraction is 20 upon 30. Reduce it, which is equal to 2 upon 3. So half marks if you have written 20 upon 30, and half more marks when if you have written 2 upon 3. So 1 mark for the correct answer. Question number 11. Question 1 to 10, every question is of 1 mark. Now question number 11 and 12 will be of 2 marks each. Subtract 1 upon 4 from 6 1 upon 2. First of all, we will convert it into improper fraction. A number written after from we will write down first. So it is 13 upon 2 minus 5 upon 4. For this part only you will get half marks. Now take the LCM. 4 numerator will be 26 minus 5. If you have done up to this part, you will get half more marks. Now subtract it, you will get 21 upon 4. Then again you will get half marks, and then convert it into mixed fraction, that is 5 upon 4. Then again you will get half marks. Means half marks will be divided into 4 parts. Okay? Accordingly you can give marks to your answer. Question number 12, this is also of 2 marks. Sunil purchased 12 1 upon 2 liter of juice on Monday and 14 3 upon 4 liter of juice on Tuesday. How many liter of juice did he purchase together in 2 days? See the solution. Sunil purchased juice on Monday 12 1 upon 2, which is equal to 25 upon 2 liter. Half marks for this. Sunil purchased juice on Tuesday 14 3 upon 4, which is equal to 59 upon 4 liter. Half marks for this. Total juice he purchased in 2 days. For the total we will add. So add 25 upon 2 plus 59 upon 4 equal to 50 plus 59 upon 4. We have taken the LCM here. Half marks for this, and half marks for the last answer 109 upon 4 liter, which is equal to 27 1 upon 4 liter. Question number 13. Question 13 and 14, these 2 questions are of 3 marks. Arrange in descending order. So to arrange in descending order, first of all we have to take the LCM of the denominators. LCM is our 12. Now convert each and every fraction into common denominator 12. So for every fraction, when you will convert it into equivalent fraction 12 with denominator 12, you will get half marks for each fraction. Okay? If you have done 2 correct, then you will get 1 mark for that. If you have done 3 correct, then 1.5. And if you have converted all the 4 fractions correct into equivalent fraction with denominator 12, then you will get 2 marks for that. Then 1.5 marks to arrange these equivalent fractions into descending order. Okay, it is 10 upon 12, then 9 upon 12, then 8 upon 12, and then 6 upon 12. Then write down their original fraction, which also carry half marks. In this way 3 marks are divided. Question number 14. The fish caught by Neetu was of weight 3 upon 4 kg, and the fish caught by Narendra was of weight 1 upon 2 kg. Whose fish was heavy and by how much? See the solution. Weight of Neetu's fish 3 upon 4 kg equal to 15 upon 4 kg. Weight of Narendra's fish 1 upon 2 kg equal to 5 upon 2 kg. Comparing 5 upon 4 kg and 5 upon 2 kg. We have to compare them. So we will compare them by cross multiplying. 15 multiply by 2 and 5 multiply by 4. You will get 30 and 20. Now you can see 30 is greater than 20. So 15 upon 4 is greater than 5 upon 2. Hence Neetu's fish is heavier by. Now when we have to find out the difference, here we have to find out, because we have to find out by how much Neetu's fish is heavier. It is 15 upon 4 kg minus 5 upon 2 kg, and your answer is 5 upon 4 kg, which is equal to 1 upon 4 kg.